Namaste to all. I welcome Dr. Meghna Bilare, Director, Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research. Ma'am, what are the best programs you run at DYPIMR and how is it helping your institute to be one of the top institutes in Pune?
Namaste to all the viewers watching this interview on the various social platforms. Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research, it's one of the premier institutes in Pune and Maharashtra with a legacy of 27 years of establishment. We are located in the prime location and the industrial hub of Pune city, and wherein we get a lot of advantage of our location and of our brand D.Y. Patil. My institute offers MBA and MCA programs since 1994, and recently we have increased the intake of our MCA program as well. Along with this, we have added one more feather in our cap, that is MBA in Digital Marketing. This program is affiliated to Pune University, and it is we are the pioneers in offering this program in entire Pune. That is what makes us different from the other courses.
Okay, ma'am. Then what makes DYPIMR one of the best institutes for management education in Pune?
DYPIMR has achieved a lot of milestones in the last so many years of establishment. We have been accredited by NAAC and NBA. We are also ISO certified institute. Along with that, we have been awarded Best College Award by Savitribai Phule Pune University. So to mention this, why we are mentioning this, because it shows that we have been best in giving the academics and providing a lot of platforms for the professional courses like MBA and MCA.
Alright, ma'am. Apart from the curriculum, what kind of value addition courses you have at your institution for your students to be ready, industry ready?
When we talk about the professional courses like MBA and MCA, these are the postgraduate programs, and these are the programs after which students definitely look for the careers. They are taking admissions for these courses for the placement point of view. So definitely we give the best, we have the curriculum best provided by the Savitribai Phule Pune University, but along with that there is a lot of requirement for the overall development of the students from the placement point of view. So we have various initiatives for the students, like we have our digital marketing club for our MBA students, MBA digital marketing students, wherein students get exposure to the live projects. We have our own analytical clubs for MBA and MCA students, and besides that we have a Rotaract club wherein we give the students a lot of social exposure. I have said that we have a 27 years of establishment, so we have a huge network of our alumni. So we have alumni as mentors for the students to provide them placements, summer internships, and various workshops and seminars.
Okay. So how is your institute is welcoming students from diverse backgrounds, like in terms of if you say economic, social and educational fields?
Okay, definitely. When we look at the professional courses, fees is a major constraint for the students, and students from the economically and social backward classes face a lot of problems while paying the fees. So we being affiliated institute, and the admission process what is adopted at our institute is centralized admission process of director DT. So when the students take admission through the centralized process, all the scholarships and facilities provided by the government for these weaker sections are given by our institute. So in my institute you will find a blend of students from all the classes of the society and from all the regions and areas of the Pune and all over India.
Okay, ma'am. Then what kind of facilities your institution provides to improve better placement of your current students and alumni?
Okay. As I said that when students take admission for MBA or MCA program, definitely placement is one of the main factors for which the students take admission. So from the day one, we try to make them industry ready or to take up their some business or start up their own venture. So from this point of view, we have a Power Pack 50 hours program for the students, which makes them on which we check their attitude, aptitude towards and their choices, desires, what are their likings learnings for the various sectors, and then according to that we categorize the student, and based on them then we train them in the particular areas. And besides that, we have our startup and incubation center, wherein we give a lot of platform and exposure to students to welcome the ideas of a startup or to have their own enterprise, and wherein we help them to from the idea generation to setting up their own ventures. And I would proudly say that there are many students and many examples which we have when students have come up with their good businesses in our institute.
Okay, that's a good initiative taken by you, ma'am. Okay, in terms of placements, what are the key recruitment trends your institute has over the past 5 years? And what kind of jobs have been offered to your students by the recruiters?
Okay, we believe in the motto that best students for the companies and best companies for the student. So in all these years, we have seen that there are companies like KPMG, Coca-Cola, Accenture, Deloitte, who all have visited our companies and recruited our students, our campus, and recruited our students. And one more thing, that towards the end of the year or towards the end of the course, there are almost 40 to 40 students who have the 2 or 3 offers in their hands from the various companies. And if you talk about the last 5-year trends, we have been able to attract good brands, packages from the companies. And the initiative what we are taking about the alumni, we have a unique concept of providing a lifelong assistance for the placement. So we never leave our students like that. Even we welcome the lateral placements, as down the line the students who have 5 to 10 years of experience, we even offer them the placements.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. Then what are the greatest strengths of your institute and the challenges you see in higher education in general?
Okay. Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research. It's under the umbrella of D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and D.Y. Patil Vidhyapit. So when you say that we are under the Vidhyapit and Unitech Society, we get a lot of advantage of our sister concerns, like we have a medical college, we have pharmacy college, engineering college. So students definitely get an added advantage of being under such a big, huge setup. And the strength of the institutes are always the faculty. So on an average, the faculty in my institute is of 8 to 10 years of experience, and infrastructure definitely matters. We have a world-class infrastructure as required for the professional courses. And main thing I would like to mention here, that the institute is guided and led by a visionary leader, Dr. P.D. Patil, Chairman of Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society, and our Secretary, Dr. Somnath Patil, who have been really lighting for our institute, and they have never left any stone unturned for giving the best of the facilities to the students.
Okay, ma'am. So how do you see the future of your institute?
The future of the institute after this pandemic, we have seen that everything is going to be on the digital platform. Like if you see, before pandemic, we would hardly imagine that there would be any digital classes or anything. But as this pandemic has taught that we need to go on the digital line. So taking that thing and the trend of the market in mind, we have started with MBA Digital Marketing course this year. And in the coming years, we want to establish as one of the best institute providing digital courses related to digitalization. So in this view, I look for the various courses and offered by the institute, small and short-term courses for the students, and these courses will be definitely towards providing the easy job opportunities for the students, and so that students can be on their own, they can have their own ventures, they can have their businesses, and fulfilling the dream of a digital India is what we look our institute in the coming years.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thanks a lot.